Y'all, it's your girl Shay Skylar, and I'm back with another video. What's up if you're new to my channel, and what's up if you're a returning subby? So today I'm going to be reviewing Hairline Affordhair. This is a company on Amazon. They sent me a 13x4 pre-plucked 18-inch Brazilian curly 1B/purple unit, y'all. And when I say purple, I mean purple. She is absolutely gorgeous. It was prime shipping. It came in 2 days, and y'all know I F's with the shipping that's in 2 days. That's why I love Amazon Prime and when the wig companies work with them. So we're gonna go ahead and get to the unit. Y'all, her fresh out the pack. She is pre-plucked like I said. This is her. Oh my gosh, y'all see this purple? It is absolutely gorgeous, and like I said, it goes from 1B into purple. We're gonna get into the construction of the cap first. So the unit, I'm actually absolutely loving the construction of the cap because we have 4 combs, 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is great. And then we also have an adjustable strap that comes with the unit. So y'all know that is great because you can wear this glueless or you can wear it glued down. Now I want y'all to see this beautiful hairline, okay? So this is the hairline of the unit, okay? It comes pre-plucked. I am absolutely loving it. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this install, y'all. I'm just gonna do 1 layer of glue, and I'm running out, so that means I need to buy some. So I'm just gonna go around. That was a lot that came out. Like, I can stretch this. Clear and tacky. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the unit on. Remember, this unit also comes with the adjustable straps here. So I'm just gonna take it, and y'all know I like to clip it on anywhere. All right. Then make sure my strap is adjusted correctly. And I didn't add any powder or anything to the unit, and I'm just gonna pull it down to here. Okay. Then I'm going to clip it with the comb. Alright. And y'all see how it's looking. Alright, so I'm gonna just go ahead and cut the lace. Make sure it's stuck. Alright, and then I'm just going to cut the lace. Now, I want to do this off camera because I don't want to mess this up, and I'll come right back. Alright, y'all, so I'm back. This is me not doing, you know, adding anything to the unit. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just take out, you know, a little bit of the hair in the front that I kind of want to use for like baby hairs and such, and I'm not going to use that much. I see some portions that I need to really glue down a little bit more on the sides, but I'll do that later. All right, and then I'm just going to take one of my papers here, and go ahead and lay it like this so my unit can lay as flat as possible. And then I'm gonna go ahead and style it. I think I want to wear her in the middle part, so I'm just gonna part her in the middle. Go ahead and add some water to her. I'll show you guys how she looks just combed out. So she gets really big. I actually like her big. She is 18 inches, so this is how she looks with me just combing her out. All right, so I'm going to just take some water and spritz it. I don't want her too flat. All right, then I'm just going to comb her out. She is so pretty, y'all. These curls are everything. So I am getting some shedding. She is a curly unit, so curly units tend to shed. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and take this off so I can lay my baby hairs on her. And this hairline is absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm just gonna cut a little bit off for the baby hairs, and I'm only doing baby hairs, you know, just in little spaces because I kind of want the no baby hair look that everyone's been doing. Got to be glue. And I'm just gonna take a little bit, add it there. Take my comb. And lay it. Y'all, I think she is so pretty. So this is where she falls on me in the back. Okay, and show y'all how she looks stretched. So definitely true to length. She's definitely 18 inches. And she is gorgeous, y'all. And I want to get just a close-up of this hairline and this lace. And I didn't add anything to the lace. This is just me putting it on. So y'all know it has really, really good lace. Add a little bit more water to this side. Y'all, so I'm loving her. So let me know what you're thinking about her. I will make sure I put all her information in the description box below. Y'all don't have to dye her because she comes dyed. So her parting is going like about right here. And I just absolutely love her. She is gorgeous. So thanks so much for watching. Love you guys so much. This unit is definitely a 10 in my book. And she's thick. So I love that as well. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.